If you want to take screenshot without using buttons on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, you have several ways that allow you to do so. So first of all, we're gonna go to the settings and let's open the gestures, because over here we can find, for example, the 3-finger screenshot gesture. If you touch and hold anywhere on the screen with 3 fingers, you should be able to take the screenshot. So let me demonstrate. So just press and hold one more time. And there we go. As you can see, we have the screenshot. So this is one of the ways. Besides that, there is also the back tap gesture, which can be used in order to take the screenshot as well. But in order to do so, first we need to go to settings, and over here we need to select take screenshot. You can also press over here try it out in order to learn how to properly use, how to figure out basically how to use the back tap gesture. In my case, I usually tap somewhere over here with my finger. And if I just double tap, as you can see, we can take the screenshot like this. Besides that, we can, I suppose, also go to the control center, and let me actually check. There we go. Over here we have the screenshot option. So you can just tap on this button in order to take the screenshot, or you can tap on this arrow in order to, I assume, find more options. Let's give it a try if it actually works. Well, for some reason, no. Maybe if we press and hold a finger, no. So for some reason, there is this arrow that doesn't do anything. But yeah, essentially this is how we can take the screenshot. And last but not least, if you open an app, if you want to take a screenshot of the app that you have opened, then you can go to the background apps, and then below over here you should be able to find this scissors icon, this button. So if you tap on it, you will capture the screenshot of the preview that you have over here. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.